Looking for a free way to get started with email marketing? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brevo's free plan step by step. We'll cover the basics of the platform, where to find the most important tools, and how to start sending professional email campaigns without paying for a subscription. First, open your browser and visit the Brevo website. Sign in using your email address and password. If you don't already have an account, create one first and verify your email before continuing. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Brevo dashboard. This is where you'll manage your contacts, create campaigns, build automation, and monitor your activity. Take a minute to look through the menu so you know where everything is located. Before sending emails, you'll need contacts. Open the Contacts section and either add contacts manually or import an existing contact list. Just make sure you're only emailing people who have given permission to receive messages from you. Next, head over to the Campaigns section and create your first email campaign. Enter a campaign name, choose your sender information, write a subject line, and use Brevo's drag-and-drop editor or one of its templates to design your email. Add your content, images, and buttons until everything looks the way you want. Before sending your campaign, so preview the email carefully. Check the formatting, links, images, and spelling. If everything looks good, choose your contact list and send the campaign. If you're using the free plan, keep in mind that sending limits may apply. Besides email campaigns, the free plan also lets you explore contact management, sign-up forms, basic automation, and performance reports. It's a great way to learn the platform before deciding whether you need a paid plan. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Brevo for free in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you get started with confidence. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.